Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of revolutionary cookware with the Ninja NeverStick Ceramic Pro 14-piece cookware set, a game changer for your kitchen. This set boasts an exclusive construction that delivers 100% performance without any PTFE, making it 5 times more scratch resistant and 3 times more scrub resistant than caraway ceramic coated cookware. Designed for versatility, these pots and pans can seamlessly transition from stove to oven, withstanding temperatures up to 660 degrees Fahrenheit, and are compatible with all stovetops, including induction. The heavy-gauge aluminum base ensures even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots for perfectly cooked meals every time. With sleek, flat-tempered glass lids and cast stainless steel handles, you get maximum visibility and convenient storage. Plus, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing it's made without PTFE, PFOA, lead, or cadmium, ensuring a healthier cooking experience. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, the Ninja NeverStick Ceramic Pro Cookware Set is built for long-lasting performance and durability, ready to elevate your culinary adventures. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.